How to make a face pack with coconut oil, turmeric, yogurt, and oats to whiten your skin. Coconut oil for skin whitening. Coconut oil is an incredible cream. Assuming your dry skin is the purpose for the sketchy and dim look on the face, add coconut oil to your healthy skin routine at the present time. Being an astonishing cream, coconut oil helps in relaxing the skin and disposes of the sketchy and lopsided complexion. Coconut oil contains a lot of enemies of oxidants. They assist with quicker cell recovery, prompts skin brightening. Coconut oil is an incredible wellspring of vitamin E, which is known for its capacity to treat skin pigmentation and assist us with getting light complexion. Additionally, coconut oil is wealthy in different skin-agreeable unsaturated fats. They give sustenance to the skin cells, fix the harm and assist with lessening skin staining. Major ingredients: coconut oil, turmeric, yogurt and oats. Coconut oil contains: the primary parts that make coconut oil really great for the face are linoleic corrosive, which contains vitamin F, and lauric corrosive, which contains immersed fats and antibacterial properties. Recorded underneath are the advantages of applying coconut oil on your face for the time being that might persuade you to change to this plentiful oil. Turmeric contains malignant growth avoidance specialists and alleviating parts. These characteristics could give sparkle and shine to the skin. Turmeric may in like manner re-establish your skin by drawing out its normal sparkle. You would have to endeavor a turmeric facial covering at home to check whether the flavor definitely influences your skin. Turmeric is the wellspring of an extremely strong cell reinforcement, known as curcumin. Curcumin helps control melanin creation and eases up the imprints and scars to work on our appearance. Maturing is a central point that can cause skin obscuring. It makes our skin badly creased with a lopsided complexion. Turmeric has strong mitigating as well as cell reinforcement properties that assist with warding off untimely maturing of skin. Oats can assimilate the wealth of oil on your skin and help with treating skin aggravation. Its disease avoidance specialist and quieting properties help to treat dry skin and dispense with dead skin cells. Oats similarly contain intensifiers called saponins, which are ordinary synthetic substances. They dispose of the dirt and oil that discourage the pores and shed the skin. Cereal accompanies great skin brightening benefits. It is a wellspring of saponin, which is known for its extraordinary purifying properties. Yogurt contains: when utilized topically, yogurt delicately sheds the skin, uncovering new skin underneath. The lactic corrosive and zinc present in the yogurt assist with clearing up imperfections, even out complexion and advance more youthful-looking skin by decreasing kinks. Overabundance oil stored on the skin's surface frequently gives our face a dull and sketchy look. Zinc can force tall oil develop on the skin, making the face look spotless and new. Additionally, yogurt contains calcium, which is fundamental for smooth, delicate and flexible skin. The epidermis layer of our skin contains a high measure of calcium. It helps forestall dry and unpleasant skin as well as works with the skin recharging process. Major ingredients quantity: 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of yogurt, ½ teaspoon of oats. Direction to use: take a teaspoon of turmeric and mix it with an adequate amount of organic coconut oil. Add 1 teaspoon of yogurt and 1 teaspoon of oats into the bowl and mix well. Apply the mixture on the face as well as neck and gently massage with your fingertips in circular motion for a few minutes. Save it on the skin for another 10 to 15 minutes and afterward wash off. Reapply this skin whitening face pack twice or thrice weekly for glowing, even-toned skin. Benefits of this product: we realize that melanin is the fundamental variable that decides our skin tone. Turmeric can handle melanin creation, and that is the reason further developing our complexion is thought of as so successful. Cereal accompanies great skin brightening benefits. It is a wellspring of saponin, which is known for its extraordinary purifying properties. Sun harm is another component that can make our skin dry, thick and cause skin obscuring. Turmeric is an extraordinary solution for fending off sun harm. Yogurt accompanies normal fading properties for our skin. Standard utilization of yogurt assists with easing up skin staining and re-establishing sparkling skin. Yogurt contains lactic corrosive and it helps in peeling and evacuation of dead skin cells and different pollutions. These pollutants on our skin's surface frequently wind up making our skin look dull. Through shedding, yogurt assists with divulging more brilliant as well as better appearance. Yogurt restrains the development of tyrosine catalyst, consequently controlling melanin creation and supporting our appearance. How this face pack differs from other face packs. Studies have affirmed that healthy skin items containing turmeric can fundamentally lessen the presence of kinks, scarcely discernible differences, grin lines, as well as ease up pigmentation. It profoundly purges the skin with its saponin content and takes out the poisons from the top skin layer, accordingly forestalling skin staining. Yogurt can handle melanin union. We realize that the presence of melanin decides our skin tone. There is a chemical known as tyrosinase, which straightforwardly impacts melanin creation. Thank you for watching this video.